Operating an ethical, honest auto repair shop shouldn't be hard. Dishonesty will ultimately erode customer trust and ruin your business's reputation. Let's talk about why, as a shop owner, you must identify and eliminate any dishonest behaviors that seep into your operations. Certain activities are unethical in your shop, like fabricating unnecessary service recommendations, overcharging labor rates, or inflating parts prices. These tactics may temporarily increase sales, but customers will eventually catch on and take their business elsewhere. Other shady practices like bait and switch coupons, false advertising of discounted prices you won't honor, or hiding inferior work are equally damaging. Perhaps most harmful is taking advantage of a customer's lack of mechanical knowledge and performing repairs that just aren't needed. These are a complete betrayal of trust. A great path to lasting success in the tire industry is total transparency, exceptional service, and standing behind your work. Take time to clearly explain repair options to customers in simple terms and empower them to decide what fits their budget. When you hire experienced, ethical technicians, they will prioritize doing the job right over making a quick buck. Make sure to use top quality parts from reliable suppliers, even if they cost a little bit more, and explain to your customers why that cost exists. You can also offer a warranty on parts and labor so things can be made right if an issue pops up down the road. Building a reputation based on integrity and quality service may require a culture change or take patience, but it pays off exponentially. Customers will trust you to make recommended repairs accurately and fairly, and refer friends and family knowing that you won't take advantage of them. Your business will thrive on repeat customers and word-of-mouth marketing from satisfied patrons. Make a commitment today to removing any hints of dishonesty from your business. Your integrity is the foundation of profitability. For more tire service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.